Hello, thank you for checking out A1 Math, and today we're talking about transversals. And I want you to be able to understand the difference between corresponding, alternate interior, alternate exterior, same side interior, and to be able to find and label transversals. So let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is understand what a transversal is. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines. So since this line goes through and crosses two other lines, the T is your transversal. Okay. When that happens, you get four different types of angles. You get corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and consecutive interior angles. I call consecutive interior angles same side. So in this first example, they want us to find the corresponding angles. Well, let me show you what that looks like. When you have a transversal that goes through two lines, on one line it makes four different angles, and it does the same thing on the other line, four different angles. If each angle is in the same section, they correspond. So in this example, 1 is going to match up with 5, 4 is going to match up with 8, 2 is going to match up with 6, and 3 is going to match up with 7. So those are four different corresponding angles. I'm going to write those down over here. All right, next up is alternate interior angles. With alternate interior angles, they're going to go, first they're going to be inside. So with your transversal that comes through, you've got an interior and an exterior. If it says interior, all the angles are going to be inside. If it says exterior, all the angles are going to be outside. Notice how on corresponding, one is in and one is out. Okay, so on alternate interior, they're all going to be inside. But since it says alternate, it's going on both sides of your transversal. So let's take a look at our example. On this one, we're finding the angles that's on the inside, and we're finding the two that alternates across the line. So I got 4 and 6 and 3 and 5. So those are my alternate interior angles. Okay, let's take a look at alternate exterior. And with alternate exterior, the angles are going to be outside, and they're also going to alternate across the transversal. So let's find those in our example. Here we have the 1 on the outside and the 7 that goes across the line but also on the outside. So that's going to be 1 and 7. Next we've got 2 and 8. So we got two pair of alternate exteriors. And there you go. And last, we have same side interior. So same side interior angles are going to be on the inside, but they're going to be on the same side of the transversal. So we've got 4 and 5, and 3 and 6. And that's how we find those on one transversal there. All right, take a look at this next set of examples and see if you can find these. Okay, you should get this. Okay, and again, that's alternate exterior, that's transversals with alternate exterior, alternate exterior, same side interior, and corresponding angles. I want to thank you for checking out A1 Math, and have a nice day.